What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. So, comes to mind, it's a new month of December, and there's some cheap dividend stocks out there that have great revenue and great dividend growth. I'm going to go over them, and I own them as well. So, if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these 3 dividend stocks out right now. One of the first cheap dividend stocks that come to mind is Hormel Foods. They're sitting at 31.32. The dividend yield is 3.61%, a PE ratio of 21.67. Average volume is 3.88 million. The market cap is 17.12 billion US dollars. Year range is 3012 to 4811. Day range is 3055 to 3134. And its previous close was 3059. So again, these guys are a big food company. They have not done well against the S&P, and this is something that I'm capitalizing on. They have an extensive dividend growth history, and they are in demand. So let's check out their revenue trends and dividend history. And slowly their revenue has gone up. So this is annually in millions US dollars. 2019, 9,497. 2020, 9,608. 2021, 11,386. 2022, 12,458. In 2013, 12,110. So that doesn't concern me too much because the revenue has gone up from 2019 to 2023, and it's a cheap dividend stock, which is nice, and they have an extensive dividend growth history, which I'll go over. So I'm going to start in 2016. It's a quarterly dividend. It was 15 cents. 2017, it jumped to 17 cents. 2018, it jumped to 19 cents. Then 2019, it jumped to 21 cents. 2020, it jumped to 23 cents. Then 2021, it jumped to 25 cents. Then 2022, it jumped to 26 cents. 2023, it jumped to 28 cents. So per Zacks, their payout ratio is 68%. I'm not too concerned about that. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 7.24%, which is attractive. So if you bought 1 share, you made 110 with a 3.51% dividend yield. That's attractive. I've been loading up on them, especially when the dip has happened with them. Let's check out the next dividend stock. How can you forget Franklin Resources? BEN is the symbol. They're sitting at 25.63. They have not done too hot recently against the S&P, and you see that during the pandemic when that hit, they were way down at rock bottoms. They're trying to recover, but they're not recovering. So their dividend yield is 4.68%, a PE ratio of 14.88, average volume 3.66 million. The market cap is 12.68 billion US dollars. Year range is 2188 to 3437. Day range is 2465 to 2564. Previous close was 2480. Now I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. Financially, they've done pretty well. So this is annually in millions US dollars. 2019, 5,669. 2020, 5,666. 2021, 8,425. 2022, 8,275. And 2023, a little bit down, 7,849. But guess what? The revenue from 2019 to 2023 was 5,669 to 7,849. So there is a consistency of increasing revenue. Again, these guys have a very good reputation of hiking their dividend and they're way down, so I am capitalizing on them. Let's check out their dividend history. So studying their dividend history and kind of doing a quick dividend analysis, just looking at the trends, it's very attractive. So quarterly dividend, BEN is a symbol again. So 2014 it was 12 cents, 2015 it was 15 cents, 2016 it was 18 cents, 2017 it was 20 cents, 2018 it was 23 cents, 2019 it was 26 cents, 2020 it was 27 cents, 2021 it was 28 cents, 2022 is 29 cents, and 2023 it cracked 30 cents. So according to Zacks, their payout ratio is 46%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.50%. So if you bought 1 share, you made $1.20 with a 4.68% dividend yield. That's not too bad. So let's jump to the final dividend stock. And again, I'm going to praise Wendy's again. I own them. I'm going to be long in them unless if something drastically happens. At one point, right before the pandemic hit, they were beating the S&P 500, which was attractive. They're sitting at 1954, a dividend yield of 5.12%, a PE ratio of 20.95, average volume 2.82 million. The market cap is 4.03 billion US dollars. Deal range is 1819 to 2390. Day range is 1865 to 1959. Its previous close was 1875. So again, I've really emphasized them and their expansion and why I'm buying them in previous videos, so check those out. But I'm going to jump to their revenue trends and dividend history. So the revenue trends have been pretty strong. So this is annually in millions US dollars. 2018, 1,589. 2019, 1,709. 2020, 1,733. 2021, 1,896. And 2022, 2,095. So that is a huge increase in revenue, which is good. This is what I like, and this is what can increase the confidence in the board of directors to hike their dividend, and we're going to jump to the dividend history. So with Wendy's, I'm going to start in 2019. They had a few bumps and bruises. I would blame the pandemic. Quarterly dividend, they were at 10 cents, and then they jumped to 12 cents, and then in 2020, they decreased their dividend from 12 cents to 5 cents, and then they started hiking their dividend again in 2020 to 7 cents, 2021 to 9 cents to 10 cents, and then to 12 cents, 2022 then to 13 cents, and then they hiked it to 25 cents. So you're going to see a little bit of a high payout ratio. I'm not too worried with Wendy's being a high payout ratio because they have expansion plans. Their revenue has been pretty strong. They're fast food. Everybody's busy in the line over there. They're going to make revenue, and I'm just not too worried. Again, with their expansion plans and they're advertising college football. They've done very well. So the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 8. Dividend growth in 5 years is 21.98%. So if you bought one share, you were at a 5.12% dividend yield. I'm sure the payout ratio will be lower eventually. I'm not too concerned. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. And go Browns. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer and take care and have a great Sunday. So as a reminder, this YouTube channel is not financial advice. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Now I show you my dividend investing strategy and my dividend stock buys. Things change, a drastic change with the company or the dividend revenue, I may sell the stock. So I'm just being very transparent with that. It is best to do your due diligence when you research stocks, and it is best to seek advice from a financial advisor. So seek financial advice from somebody that is certified to give financial advice or a financial advisor. Again, do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. I'm doing this for entertainment purposes only. If you ask me a question regarding financial advice, again, I'm going to refer you to a financial advisor. This is a YouTube channel. This is my dividend investing journey. And I love to reveal to you my dividend stock buys and show you my journey to earn passive income. Take care and have a good one.